Ever been staring down a bill due at your other bank, but your savings are chilling in your Ally account? We've all been there. Ally offers fantastic rates, but those sweet returns don't do much good if you need cash at your other bank, like yesterday. So, how long does it take to transfer money from Ally to Wells Fargo? Fear not, fellow financially faithful, because this video will break down the transfer speeds and get you squared away. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, a quick heads up. There are a few things that can affect transfer times, like weekends and holidays. Think of it like rush hour traffic on the information highway. Things can get a little slow. But no worries, we'll factor those in too. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get down to brass tacks. Generally, a standard transfer from Ally to Wells Fargo takes 3 business days. So, if you initiate a transfer on Monday, you can expect the funds to arrive in your Wells Fargo account on Thursday. Keep in mind, this is just an estimate. Here's a quick scenario to illustrate. Imagine you need to pay your rent on Friday. Since the transfer takes 3 business days, initiating the transfer on Tuesday would be cutting it a bit close. It's always best to plan ahead and initiate the transfer with a buffer of a day or two, just in case. Now, what if you're facing a financial fire drill and simply cannot wait 3 whole days? Well, both Ally and Wells Fargo offer some expedited transfer options. However, there are a few things to consider. Eligibility. Not everyone qualifies for these faster transfers. Usually, factors like account history and transfer frequency come into play. So, it's best to check with your specific bank to see if you're eligible. Fees. These expedited options often come with a fee attached. The exact cost can vary depending on the bank and the transfer method. So, weigh the urgency of your situation against the extra expense. Here's a breakdown of the typical transfer speeds offered by both banks. Ally Bank. While they don't explicitly advertise expedited transfers, Ally may offer next-day transfers for eligible accounts. Be sure to check with Ally directly to see if you qualify. Wells Fargo. They offer a service called Wells Fargo Express Transfers. These can move your money to another bank in 1 business day, but there's a fee involved. Remember, always double-check the specific details and fees with your bank before initiating any transfer, especially if you need the expedited option. Alright, folks, that's all you need to know about transfer times between Ally and Wells Fargo. Hopefully, this video has given you a clear picture and some peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and happy banking.